walls on the inside of the maze. We see a couple set up already. And as always, we'll go through our 3-step process. Number 1, sketch, pick the plane where we're going to draw on that plane. Then you pick the tool that you're going to use to draw with, dimension, and then extrude, add, or subtract depth. Let's run through that right now. I start off by sketching. It says, where do you want to draw? Select a sketch plane. So I want to draw on the inside wall here on the bottom here of the maze. So I click on that surface. I go ahead then turn on my rectangle tool, whatever tool we want to use. And I'm going to go ahead and make a wall right here. Okay, after we draw our wall, we'll go ahead, turn the dimension tool on, and I have to make sure that the ball can fit through this opening. So we always dimension to make sure that ball, which is 4.5 millimeters, can fit through. 6 will work, so I'm going to go ahead and make that wall 6. And I like using 2, so I'm going to go ahead and make that 2, just so I have more space throughout. Now I'm going to make this tighter, and from the distance from here to here is currently 11.2. We'll make that 6 as well. And now the ball can go through this opening, through here. It can fit through here, so I'm good. Now I want to add some depth to that wall. It's currently just has length and width, so I go to extrude. And I'm going to add a wall. Now, you don't want it 25 because we have to glue a top on here. That won't work. So I need to make this 10. And now that wall is the proper height, and it's an add, not a new, but an add. Check mark, and it matches up perfectly. Looks beautiful. Let me do one more just to show you one more time. Sketch on this surface here, my sketch plane. Turn on my tool. I'm going to go ahead now, and I'm going to go ahead and turn and make a wall like that. Dimension. I zoom in a little bit. I make sure the distance from here to here is 6 so the ball can fit through there. Very good. Now I want to make sure the ball can fit through here and here. It's currently 6. Perfect. Enter. And how far do you want to make this go down? I'm good with that distance. I like where that is right now. We extrude. I'm going to add 10. And I go with the check mark, and I'm good to go. The ball can now travel through there, and that can do some work down here as well if I want to add something, or you can play around with that if you wish. Remember, you can always add a hole on the sides too if you want to have a wall go all the way and a hole come through like we did with our entrance hole. Whatever you want for this, make it your own. Have some fun with it, and I'll talk to you in the next one.